Good afternoon, everybody. This is Karen March from Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. Alright guys, it's very windy. I'm at Brevard College, and I owe a huge thank you to the two girls that helped me out on campus. Oh, Freedom's saying, oh my god, in the background. I've got Freedom the Parrot back here. It's so important. We left at 9 a.m. Hey Freedom! And it's 4:30. We just got here a few minutes ago. And I so badly want to see a white squirrel. Now, this is the only one I've seen, and this is the bell tower the girls told me, you know, this is a loop around college campus and you'll find it. Hey, Freedom! And so I'll show you this beautiful bell tower. I've never been here before, so I don't know a lot about it. Alright, we're signing off live with a white squirrel at Brevard College. Have a great day.